Hi moms! In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use a breastfeeding pump step by step. Watch as our mom demonstrates the proper way to pump comfortably while her baby rests peacefully nearby. With the Philips Event Pump, you can enjoy a stress-free experience, maintaining comfort and ease throughout. Whether you're new to pumping or looking for tips to make it easier, this tutorial has everything you need. Stay relaxed, follow along, and make every feeding session smooth and simple. Being a breastfeeding mom isn't just about pumping. It's about taking care of yourself too. In this segment, we'll show how moms can stay nourished and hydrated while pumping milk. Healthy snacks, water, and a cozy environment can make all the difference. Watch how our mom balances nutrition, comfort, and daily care, ensuring both she and her baby stay happy and healthy. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your little one. After a comfortable pumping session, nothing feels better than bonding with your baby. Watch as our mom holds her little one, wrapped in a soft blanket, sharing smiles and love. Breastfeeding and pumping can be a relaxing, heartwarming experience when done right. This moment shows the connection, comfort, and confidence that every mom can enjoy. With the right tips and a supportive pump, every feeding session becomes a beautiful bonding time.